Chemical changes. A chemical change is always accompanied by a chemical reaction. Reaction is the term used for depicting a change or transformation in which a substance decomposes, combines with other substances, or interchanges constituents with other substances. Let us perform an activity to understand a chemical change. Take a magnesium ribbon, hold it at an appropriate height over a Bunsen burner with the help of a pair of tongs. You will observe that the magnesium ribbon starts burning. Collect the ashes in a watch glass. What do you observe? Magnesium ribbon burns with a white flame and changes into white powder. This white powder is magnesium oxide, which is formed as a result of a chemical reaction between magnesium ribbon and oxygen present in the air. Hence, it can be said that magnesium reacts with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. Let us perform another activity. Take a few zinc granules in a conical flask. Insert the thermometer and note its reading. Add dilute hydrochloric acid to it. Insert the thermometer and note its reading. Do you observe something happening around the zinc granules? Yes, you observe that gases evolved around the zinc granules and raises the temperature. This shows the formation of gas during the chemical reaction and also shows the exothermic reaction. Let us perform another activity. Now take the lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Add potassium iodide solution to it. What do you observe? You observe that a yellow precipitate is formed. From these activities we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place as change in state, change in color, change in temperature, and evolution of gas.